Good morning, it's Kerr from Farol Plant Sales. As you can see, we've got a fresh delivery of Avant machines come in. One of nearly every model in the range, all with special attachments on them. So we'll start off with a 220, the smallest machine in the range, 20 horsepower petrol engine. This one's been fitted with an 1100 sweeper brush. Perfect for footpaths, tennis courts, you name it, it will sweep it. Next one in the range, the new 423, 23 horsepower Kubota engine, just a standard bucket on this one. Comes now with the spotlights as standard. Great little machine, great for horse yards, very manoeuvrable and very light. Then we move up to the 523, next size up, same engine, 23 horsepower Kubota diesel. This one's fitted with a grapple bucket, great for moving logs around, moving a bit of hail straw, and then just multi-purpose moving equipment around. Great little machine as well. Then we start going up a little bit, 640, so a 40 horsepower Kubota engine. This one's got a bag lifter on it, so it'll lift your fertiliser bags or your seed bags into your spreader. Great little farm machine. Then we start going up, so we're on to an R35 now. This is the only one in the range where the pivot is on the back. So like all the other machines, you sit on the front. This one you sit on the back like a conventional wheeled loader, and this one's been fitted with a soil compactor. Up to the 750, so we go up to a 50 horsepower engine, 2-speed transmission on this one, so great if you've got a big estate for moving around. And this one's been fitted with a 1300 flail mower. And then finally another 750, but this one has got the heavy duty log grab, and this will lift just over a ton in weight, so perfect if you've got some big logs you need moving around. Yeah, a great machine. So special offer for this year, any of these machines in stock now, sold before Christmas, will come with a free bucket as standard. So give me a call today, 07715 109 987. Look on the Farol website, www.farol.co.uk, and give me a call, let's have a deal and let's get these machines sold.